Hello and welcome to today's very quick video. This is basically a video just to finish off the series on the JVC HR3660EK that I've been working on. Now, unfortunately I had to admit defeat on the fault, so I passed it on to someone who has greater experience with these piano key machines. Now, they had a quick look at the machine, and they found that these two cables here were incorrectly placed. So it was a case of swapping those cables over, setting up the head switching point, and that was it. Literally, as soon as the machine started to play a tape, it synced, synchronization was locked, and it worked absolutely fine. So the machine has gone on to a new home and is going to live another day, so to speak. So I'm hoping that the work that I'd carried out with replacing the capacitors on both the power supply board and also on the servo control board have helped. But I do have a feeling that when I was putting it back together, I messed up the position of these two cables, as I did have the whole board out of the machine, so it is quite possible I got those two mixed up. So the two connectors that were mixed up, one was for the control pulse head and the other one was for the Capstan FG pulse generator. Those two were mixed up, and that obviously caused the machine to have the synchronization issues that I was observing. And yeah, looks like another one that's living for another day. Anyway, thank you all very much for following the series. Also, thank you for all of the relevant suggestions that you put across. It looks like I was very nearly there. If I'd only just decided to sort of take a final look at the connectors, make sure that I'd have everything connected correctly, I probably would have been there, to be honest with you. Anyway, not to worry. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.